To fix mobile data issues on the Redmi Note 14S, first of all, I will recommend you to go for the quick settings and try turning off and turning back on mobile data on your device. If this didn't fix your problem, then I recommend you to turn off and turn back on your phone. Simply restart it and then see if the mobile data issues are still there. In case if this didn't fix your problem, then I actually recommend you to go for the settings and then move for the more connectivity options. From here, you'll have to scroll down, all the way down, and find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Let's go in there and press this button to reset settings. Enter your current screen lock, in my case it is the pattern, and from here you'll have to press this OK button to reset all of these settings. And this might also fix your problem, and in case it didn't help you, then I actually recommend you to contact with your carrier and explain your problem to them with these mobile data issues. They might actually help you in case if these tips I gave you didn't work. So that's how you can do this.